This aircraft landing is a T-tailed single-engine Pilatus PC-12. It can carry up to 13 people. It's got a big door on the side that can actually be configured for cargo very easily. Seats can come up and cargo can go in. Notice he's landing a little bit in a crosswind now, so you see that little bit maybe of yaw towards us. You're going to see the pilot probably lower the left wing just a touch. Then he's going to be kicking right rudder to keep his heading down the center line of the runway. That constant speed propeller has what we call beta pitch on it, so he can aerodynamically brake the aircraft by just putting the prop into a reverse pitch.